Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you where to purchase the radar in Abyss. So if you're tired of swimming in circles looking for the real school of fish, the radar is the ultimate game changer for serious explorers in Abyss. And here I'm going to show you the exact NPC locations you need to visit and the cash cost to unlock it. So first, to find the radar, you just need to find Richard NPC. The NPC calls Richard or the bestiary in here. And on the left side, you'll see this one. So this is where the radar is. Okay. And the cost that you need to pay for radar is 450. You can just view it first. And the function of the radar, it will detect nearby fish and allows you to view their statistics. So you can just click on buy, and just like that, now you have the radar. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.